Are you looking for a reliable kettle? We have this one for about 8 years now and it still looks just as good and it works amazing. Let me show you how simple it is to use and how to clean it and maintain this nice condition. With a push of a button, you can serve 7 cups of tea. It works pretty quiet and gives out a little ring when it's done. To clean it, I start with a magic eraser, wipe it down with a bounty napkin, and use these stainless steel wipes. I do this once every couple months.